How to avoid fraud when choosing a gold IRA custodian. Investing in a gold IRA can be a powerful way to safeguard retirement savings. Yet, the market has its share of deceptive schemes. Choosing the wrong custodian could mean hidden fees, unsafe storage, or outright fraud. To protect your wealth, careful evaluation is essential. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are what you need to know. 1. Verify proper approval. A legitimate custodian must be IRS approved to manage self-directed IRAs. Always confirm licensing and check accreditations with trusted financial bodies. If credentials are missing, walk away. 2. Demand fee transparency. Fraud often hides in fine print. Reliable Gold IRA custodians provide a clear, written breakdown of all costs, setup, annual maintenance, and storage, without vague explanations. 3. Check storage security. Gold IRA assets cannot be kept at home. Ensure your custodian partners with IRS-approved, insured depositories. Be cautious of any firm promising free home storage, as this is usually misleading. 4. Research reputation. Look beyond company websites. Read independent reviews, ratings, and consumer protection reports. Reputable custodians will have years of service and minimal unresolved complaints. 5. Confirm buyback policies. A trustworthy custodian offers straightforward buyback options. Fraudulent firms often make liquidation difficult or manipulate pricing. Clarity here is non-negotiable. 6. Insist on written agreements. Never rely on verbal promises. Ensure all commitments are in writing and avoid signing contracts with vague or confusing terms. 7. Avoid high-pressure sales. Scammers rely on urgency and unrealistic promises. Solid custodians focus on compliance and diversification, not fear-driven pitches. Protecting retirement savings means selecting the right custodian with diligence. By verifying approval, demanding transparency, and scrutinizing storage and policies, investors can confidently build a secure gold IRA. Choosing carefully ensures protection against fraud while preserving long-term wealth. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.